The stock's continuing to rally. S&P on pace for its fourth day of gains, and the Dow coming off of its best day in more than a month, now positive for the year 2018. Joining us now, Nandini Ramakrishnan, global market strategist at JPMorgan, and Caron, senior portfolio manager at Washington Crossing Advisors. Good to see you both. So Nandini, we're looking set to almost break out here. Could be talking about new highs. Is this surprising given some of the headwinds out there, notably trade?
Yeah, I think the trade escalation or skirmish or maybe up to war, if you depend on how you define it, has been weighing on markets, but in different ways around the world. So European markets, Asian markets certainly bearing a bit more of the real brunt of the trade discussions because there seems to be more to lose in those areas versus the U.S. where growth is booming, the macro indicators look very strong, and fiscal stimulus is really helping companies and consumers feel the benefits. And we're seeing that show up in the earnings numbers as well as stock prices at the moment.
Strong enough, Kevin, when you're talking about earnings and economic growth to withstand the tariff tit for tat and possibly even more?
Well, we've lowered our equity exposure. In fact, we've now moved to an underweight equity exposure in the tactical portfolios that we manage at Washington Crossing. And the reason is that the market story has changed from where we were a year ago. A year ago, we saw unequivocal signs that the data was accelerating to the upside. We still had the tax cut in front of us, and investor enthusiasm was picking up very nicely. But as we rounded the year to this year, we now see a less even or a more uneven performance, a choppier performance from the stock market, a pickup in volatility. And look at the bond market. You've had a significant flattening of the yield curve, and spreads continue to widen in the corporate bond marketplace over treasuries. So we've gotten a little more cautious on the outlook.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.